Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable driving recorder on your XPeng vehicle. So, I am on the XPeng P7 Plus performance, and if you want to record what happened, if you had a collision, if you had an accident, then it's how you enable it. First, we're going to open up the settings. We're going to go over into intelligent imaging, and here we scroll down until we see the driving recorder. Now, as you guys can see, here we need to enable driving recorder. You need to acknowledge and confirm that you will comply with the privacy laws and also and regulations applicable to the use of a dash cam. Now, I further agree to not share or post the dashcam footage online, otherwise make it publicly available without blurring out the faces of identifiable individuals and license plates captured. So you need to be careful about it. You enable it, and as you guys can see, here we have the intelligent imaging. We got it all. And now we're recording main view and surrounding view. So if something happens, you need to make sure that you plug in your USB drive. So I got something like this. This is basically where I put my USB-C port in. Here I have the SD card, which is 128 gigabytes. And I use it, of course. I can also use the other side like this, and I can record it. Now, if something happens, I can have it on my pen drive, and that will basically help me identify who did what on the road. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.